This is a 2009 Chevrolet Tahoe, a big SUV for big fun. Among the many superb features on this Chevrolet there are adjustable driver pedals, a heated driver's seat, a premium audio system, satellite radio, a rear parking aid, side impact airbags, and this vehicle has fewer than 21,000 miles on the odometer. It features a 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This SUV won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.